Hello my people, this is Green God for channel. This video you are about to watch is about the military that they block all the whole road in Iheala in Anambra. They block all the road in Iheala in Anambra. If you love this video, please share, like, and put the notification bell on, and put your opinion on the comment section. Okay, if you don't mind, put your opinion in the comment section. Okay, God bless you all, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless you all. I'd like you to watch this video, watch it together. Okay,
can you see this? This is a new brand Toyota that was shot on their way coming down. This is the sound of bullets. Can you see this?
my people, please subscribe on this platform. Subscribe on this Green for God channel. Where you are watching this video, keep subscribing and share it out, and put your notification bell on, and give your opinion. God bless you. Keep watching. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking, and keep putting your opinion.
This is a situation report in the Iheala local government of Anambra State. There's a heavy blockage in Iheala right now. There's an eyewitness. All the whole place is engulfed by Nigerian security. I tell you, the heavy presence of Nigerian army here is excess. There are so many armored tanks, and they indeed block the whole of Iheala.
And what's happened today? It's happened today, 14/10/2021. Please subscribe. Bye bye for now.